Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing steamed fish with crackers, okra and corn. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So guys, this video is a little bit long. I just want to spend some time with you guys today. Normally my videos are just so short and spicy, but today I decided to just be with you guys for a little while and just talk to you while we cook. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So this is my sliced fish. I went ahead already and wash it. I also rescale it because most of the time when you buy your fish at the fish mart, they normally tell you, oh, it's already scaled, it's already clean. But the truth is there's some stuff on it that you don't want on it. So once I went ahead and rescale, wash it off, I went ahead and soak it in some vinegar water. So if you don't have vinegar, you can always go ahead and use lime. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and season my fish. So what I'm going to add to it is some garlic salt. I will also go in and add some all-purpose seasoning, some paprika. I will also add some of my garlic powder. And of course, I'm going to add some of my black pepper. And of course, you want to combine all of that seasoning together with the fish nicely because you want the fish to be nicely seasoned. So if you guys don't want to use sliced fish, you can always go ahead and use whole fish. But it's really and truly up to you what you want to do. So once our fish is nicely seasoned, I will just put it to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and work on the rest of the ingredients. So just a reminder, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local fish market, and of course, you'll get sliced fish as well as whole fish there as well. So now that we're finished with our fish, it's time to go ahead and work on these amazing corn. I also have my pumpkin, my scallion, my French thyme, and all of that goodness, my okra, of course. So guys, just a reminder, remember to wash all your fruits and your vegetables before you consume them. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and chop up my carrots in the desired size and shape that I want them in, and I don't want my carrots to be too fine. I want them to be medium size. And these items that I'm using, the corn and all of that goodness, you can get it at your local farmers market or even the supermarket, but it's up to you. If you want to visit your farmers market, you can always do so. They always have fresh food there, so you can always go ahead and visit them. I also have a piece of yellow yam that I will be using too. So you can always go ahead and make this amazing steamed fish for your families, for your friends. You can even make it if you're having a party. Whatever you're having, you can always go ahead and prepare it. So just in case you don't feel for rice, you can always go ahead and prepare this as well. This is a great substitute for rice. So when it comes on to the okra, I like to remove the top and the bottom and just slice them in two halves. As you can see, I went ahead and just cut up my corn in some smaller bite sizes because it's a little bit more presentable. If you guys have other vegetables that you want to add to your steamed fish, you can always go ahead and do so. If you have bammies that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. Remember, as I said, just be creative. So, I just want to tell you guys thanks for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for always liking my videos, commenting, and sharing with your families and your friends. I mean, we're on our way to 8K subscribers. We're almost there. Just one step away, but we're getting there. And I just want to encourage you guys today to stay strong, believe in God, and always remember to put everything to God in prayer. So sometimes things might not be working out the way that you want it to be, but just trust the process and just know that God has a great plan and He has a hope and He has a future for you. And whatever your heart desire, I pray that God will grant it unto you. And I pray that you will always put Him in everything. And remember that everything that you are or everything that you achieve in life, always remember to give God thanks. And always remember to lift up His name and praise Him, because God is good. All right? Always remember that. So what I did, I went ahead and peeled my yam. And I put back my yam in some water so that the color doesn't change. Some persons would put their yam in some vinegar or lime water. But for some reason, I think when you put it in the vinegar and the lime water, it has a taste that is not, I don't like. So I normally just soak it in water and that's it. So this is the pot that we're going to prepare our steamed fish in. I went ahead and add some butter and allow it to melt, and then I'm gonna go in and add my yam, my corn, and my pumpkin, and then I'm gonna add some of my water and allow this to cook for roughly about 15 or so minutes on medium heat. Once it's finished or almost finished cooking, I will come back and add the rest of the ingredients. And just a reminder, guys, you can always go ahead and check the description box. You will see all of the ingredients that I used today. And as I said, if you want to add anything else to your steamed fish, you can always go ahead and do so. And if you want to use whole fish, you can always go ahead and do so as well. So this is it. And the pumpkin is all soft and nice, and my corn is almost finished cooking. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water, but I'm gonna add a cock soup mix. No, I don't want the noodle from the cock soup mix, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. Once I added that, I will also add some more of my all-purpose seasoning and a little bit more of the garlic salt. Remember not to add too much because it's a little bit salty and you don't want your steamed fish to be too salt. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit more of my black pepper and some more paprika. Remember to always taste just in case. And you don't need to add any salt at all. All of these seasoning contains a lot of salt, so you don't need to add any salt. All right? Just a reminder. Once I added all of this goodness, I will go in and add some more of my seasoning. And the seasoning basically is all of the onion and the bell peppers and all of that goodness that we chopped up earlier. I will go in and add it. I will not be adding the okra as yet. And again, guys, you don't want your vegetables to be too soft, all right? You want it to be crunchy and nice. So once I added all of that goodness, I will also add some more water to this. And you want this to come to a boil before you add the fish. As I said, always remember to taste. And guys, look at this. This looks like a soup, right? Looks so amazing. So this is basically Elsha style, right? So if you cannot make it to Elsha, you can always go ahead and bring Elsha to your home. So now we're going to go ahead and add the fish, of course. And once you add the fish, you just want to take up some of that nice sauce and pour over the fish. And remember not to turn your stove on high heat. Medium heat is perfect. And once we add all of the fish, we are going to allow it to just cook down nicely. So So guys, remember not to turn too much because you don't want your fish to break apart. Remember that you're using the sliced fish and not the whole fish, all right? So this should take you roughly about 45 or so. Once it's almost finished cooking, I will go ahead and add the okra, and then basically at the end I will go in and add the crackers. When it's finished cooking, I will add the crackers and just cover it and leave it on the stove. And basically that is it, because I don't want the crackers to be too soft and you don't want the okra to be too soft. Some persons like their okra soft, but I prefer it crunchy. But it's up to you. As I said, you're the one that is going to consume this. And again, remember not to turn your stove on high heat. You want to turn it down on medium heat because you don't want all of this gravy to dry out. You want to have some of the gravy to heat your steamed fish. You know how Elsha style steamed fish go already. So you don't want to turn your stove on high heat. All right, so we're just gonna cook down this, and we are also gonna go ahead and add the crackers, and once it's finished I will come back and show you guys the final product. Stay tuned for the final product of this amazing steamed fish. So you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about today's recipe. And let me know if you would try it, if you'd use slice or you would use whole fish. So basically this is the finishing product. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We are on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.